Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can adjust brightness and contrast in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created in CapCut, this one, and I'm going to adjust the brightness and the contrast in this video. If you want to do that, we can go to the adjust menu. You can tap on this adjust option, and then here you will be able to adjust the brightness and the contrast. And I'm going to make it brighter, so I'm going to increase the brightness like this. And then the second one, I'm going to adjust the contrast. I'm going to increase it as well around 30. Okay, once you're done, you can click on the check mark, but if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on reset. And I'm just going to click on the check mark, and this is the result. You can also delete the adjustment you have made by click on delete like this, but I'm gonna apply it to my video, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to adjust brightness and contrast in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.